It's time for another episode of Vault Hunter Adventures featuring Sir Hammерлok. Danger looms on the horizon, for while Handsome Jack may be gone, his legacy lives on.
That's it, Vault Hunter. It's time to face my wrath!
Help!
I am the most ambivalent man alive!
Oh, that's nice. Good for you. Vault Hunter, it appears we shan't get a moment's peace as long as this Nakayama fellow keeps hassling us to go fight him.
You're about to face the deadliest Iberian technology you've ever seen.
Within the bowels of this continent lie dozens of creatures for us to track down. Savages roam these lands. Nevertheless, we should be fine so long as we don't make too much noise.
Tally-ho!
Thank you for joining me on this expedition, by the by. One can get rather lonely on treks such as these, and my right hand being made of metal, I'm incapable of amusing myself in the way most other males would.
Keep grabbing that loot! Minion! Minion! Come on, everybody! Nobody? Just me? Okay.
You may be a walking apocalypse, but I've got my brain and my guns.
Vault Hunter, I fear things are about to get hairy.
So ends another Vault Hunter Adventure.